Hi, today I would like to show you how to knit a picot folding edge. And it is just a regular folding edge, but with a little more detail. These are the picots. And you may use it for any folding edge. It could be for a neck, a cuff, or a hem, or other things that you may want to fold double, and you want a little bit more detail on your edge. So I will show you step by step how I do it in a little second. I have already done a few rounds in stockinette, and now I'm ready to make the picot edge itself. And the way I do it is that I begin by knitting 2 stitches together. I do it the same way I would knit 1 stitch like this, only I pick up 2 stitches instead of 1. Bring the yarn back through both stitches and off the needle like this. So now I have knitted 2 stitches together, and I have reduced the stitch number by 1. So to make up for that, I make a yarn over, and then I knit 2 stitches together again. If you knit a little bit tight, it's a little work maybe to get the needle through 2 stitches at the same time, but there's no problem, and it is only for 1 row anyway, so it should be okay. Now yarn over, 2 stitches together, and I just keep going. Could be a good idea to make the last round before the picot edge a little bit looser, just to make it easier to pick up 2 stitches at a time. So now I will just keep going throughout this row, and when I get back to the beginning here, I will get back to you with the next step. Now I have completed my row of knitting 2 together and yarn over, and the next step is to knit 1 row where I knit the knitted stitches where I knitted 2 together in the last row, and here where I did the yarn over I will also knit. So knit stitches all the way, both my stitches and my yarn overs, and I will continue like this throughout the row, and after doing so it will look like this. And then I will continue to knit a few more rows in stockinette, and I will get back to you with the folding and how it looks. And now my work looks like this, and to get the finished result you simply fold, double, do that around the whole thing, and then this is what it will look like. And this part is usually stitched to the wrong side of the knitwork when you are finished. And that's it. Thank you for watching.